Hello, good day or good evening or whatever time you're watching this. This is an unboxing video of an Eventide Eclipse. And it's not a review, it's not going to cover any of the other things, but I may show that later. This is basically just your run-of-the-mill unboxing video. This came in the mail just the other day, and we got it from Sweetwater, which is where I get a lot of my stuff. And let's see what we have here. Okay. And it's no surprise, we have a box within a box. Bubble wrap. Thank you. Sticker from Sweetwater. The usual stuff they pack in it. Okay. Candy, I guess that's okay. I don't really need to put on any more pounds, but okay, that's nice. And interestingly enough, the box within the box has none of the usual consumer type printing and fancy stuff on it, but I suppose that's all to be expected with industrial grade components rather than consumer. But let's take a look. Alright, now I've got a knife, and let's see what we have here. Let's open it up. And okay, nice. It's a single rack unit device, but it sure has a lot of extra space in here. Let's pull it out, see what we have. Let's see. Let's first start with the extra stuff. We have a power cord. We have Eventide product catalog, user's manual on a CD or DVD, whatever it is, some disc. And let's see what goes next. Okay, here we go. Let's get the plastic off of it. Eventide Eclipse. Alright, here we go. It is a single rack unit, Eventide Eclipse. It's a signal processor and effects processor. All the controls are in the front. It's essentially a kind of a harmonizer. It's got a place for memory card, presumably to store your custom presets and everything. We'll have to go over it later. The back has just about everything on it. MIDI in, MIDI out, MIDI through. It has 2 pedal controls. This is obviously for people who are wanting to use it on stage. It has WC in, out, serial ports. Wow, it has just about every kind of port that you would imagine. And I'm looking forward to installing it. And maybe if the mood strikes me, I'll give another video in terms of some other aspect of it. Okay, thank you. This is a unboxing for the Eventide Eclipse. Thank you. You have a very good day.